statue wins, and the victor, Ash from Pallet Town!
Yes, we did it! Ash is pretty incredible. He beat one in my loading. Awesome!
Now I know how! See, water conducts electricity better than air. So a direct attack underwater is even more powerful, which is why Ash was able to inflict so much damage onto Milotic, making it nearly impossible for them to recover from it.
Milotic, return. Very good work, my friend. Now you take a nice long rest.
I'm unbeatable, Pokemon! I'm unbeatable, Pokemon!
Turning what seemed like certain defeat into victory is what extraordinary trainers are all about, Ash. And that's what you did. Promise me you'll continue to take good care of those excellent Pokemon of yours, all right?
Of course.
Here's proof of your victory at the Sutopolis Gym. The Rain Badge. It's yours. You've earned it.
Wow, thanks a lot, Juan. Yes! We've got a Rain Badge! Alright, way to go! Good job, guys.
So how's it feel to get your 8th badge, Ash?
It feels great.
8th? Then you know what that means. Winning 8 badges has earned you the right to compete in the Hoenn League Championships, son.
Right.
Congratulations, Master Ash. The next Hoenn League Championship is scheduled to commence 3 months from now in a wonderful place called Evergrande City.
And I've got 3 whole months to get ready for it.
Better get started right away.
Yeah. Ready for some work, Pikachu? Pikachu.
And as for you, May, there's a Pokemon contest coming up soon in Pacific Log Town.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Hey, that's not far from here at all. Great. Watching Juan and Ash battle has gotten me super psyched.
Good, and I know that the two of you will do your best, right?
Right.
It's another exciting victory for Ash as he earns his 8th and final badge at last. It's been quite a journey for our heroes, but the end of one road is the beginning of another, and the opening ceremonies of the Hoenn League Championships are right around the bend.